Hi, my name's Rob. Welcome to the Physio Clinic Glasgow. Follow me in. So on our left you'll see our first treatment room. Here is where we will assess you. We'll take a history, we'll find out about why you're here to see us, and most importantly we'll find out about your goals of rehab. The Physio Clinic Glasgow started 3 years ago. I opened the clinic with my business partner Aaron, and we had a clear goal that we wanted to change how private physiotherapy was maybe viewed. We wanted a proactive exercise first clinic. So as you can see, we have our rack area with a few hundred kilograms of bumper plates. We have a crossover cables. We have all our plyometric equipment. Down here you'll see we have our functional fitness area. This is where we perform a lot of agility drills, sprint drills, plyometric drills, so our athletes spend a lot of time in the astro area. We tend to see a wide variety of injuries, from older people with simple back pain and knee pain through to elite athletes. We work with a lot of people with tendon pains, runners, and we even work with powerlifters and strongmen. We wanted to create a gym environment where we had adequate equipment and appropriate equipment to work with high-end athletes as well as your everyday athlete through to people who aren't particularly active. And we think we've done a pretty good job of creating that atmosphere, that area.